ሄሎ ዛሬ የአባኩዳዎች ኳስ ጨዋታ ውድድር አለ እዚህ በሐዋሳ ግብርና ኮሌጅ በለምለሙ የሐዋሳ ግብርና ኮሌጅ ስቴዲየም አባኩዳዎች የእግር ኳስ ጨዋታ ውድድር ያደርጋሉ። ለዚህ ደግሞ ከባድ የሆነ የቅድመ ዝግጅት ስራ እየሰሩ ነው ያሉት። እንደምታዩዋቸው አሉ የሚባሉ ተጫዋቾቻቸውን አሰልፈዋል እና እስቲ ማን እንደሚያሸንፍ እናያለን። ወጣቶችና የሽማግሌዎች ቡድን ይመስለኛል። So today we have a very big football play between these birds of Hawassa. The typical birds of Hawassa, we call it locally Abbahoda. I don't know its English name. They are going to play football. So they came up with their best players and with the most physically fit birds have been here today from Lake Hawassa. Today they stopped fishing and they are here for the competition, and we are going to interview them why they started this game and what they want to achieve out of it, if they have any awards or. And they said they want to play for remembering the fight against coronavirus, COVID-19. They said this is against their principles, not to take action against this very bad enemy of human beings. As you know, human beings are very best friends of birds and nature because we conserve resources, and I'm just trying to collect them together for an interview, and I'm looking for the most senior member of the team. Yeah, more players are landing, and yeah, let's see how many of them are actually here either to play or to support. So እንግዲህ ወዳጆች ዛሬ ሰንበትን በእንዲህ አይነት መንገድ ጀምረናል። በአባኮዳዎች የእግር ኳስ ውድድር ከባድ የሆነ ውድድር ይደረጋል ብለን ተስፋ እናደርጋለን። አንዳንዶቹ በመጡበት አጋጣሚ ይኸው ለቤታቸው የሚያስፈልጋቸውን አንዳንድ እንትኖች እየሰበሰቡ እንደሆነም እናያለን። ለምሳሌ ይሄኛው እንደምታዩት በአፉ የያዘው ቤቱን የሚሰራበትን ቆንጆ ሽፋን አግኝቶ ነው በዚህ አጋጣሚ። እና የሐዋሳ አባኮዳዎች the beautiful birds of Hawassa are here. Yeah, and everybody is eager to see this game started. And yeah, what should we do to conserve these birds and to maintain their habitat so that they keep their ecological roles, and yeah, so that they become also more beneficial for the residents of Hawassa. Yeah, we are recording all the members of this party. Come, don't run away. Wow.